Hello all, I am P.W. Ingle, working as an assistant professor at Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. Now today we'll start our subject turbo machine. Okay. So first of all, what is the meaning of turbo? So turbo is nothing but rotary motion. So the machine which have rotary motion are comes under the category of turbo machine. So suppose you take the example of centrifugal pump. So rotor rotate. Centrifugal pump is a machine in which rotor rotate. Then steam turbine, so where rotor rotate. Then hydraulic turbine, gas turbine. Okay. Then centrifugal compressor. All these machines are coming under the category of turbo machine. Okay. So we'll see step by step. First of all, what do you mean by turbo machinery? So turbo machinery in mechanical engineering describe the machine that transfer energy between and rotor and fluid, including both turbine and compressor. What is turbo machinery? It is a mechanical engine. It is a machine which transfer energy between rotor and fluid. Suppose you take the case of hydraulic turbine. So in hydraulic turbine, the water will have a transfer of energy to the rotor. Or if you will take the case of centrifugal pump, the rotor will have transfer of its energy, mechanical energy to fluid. Okay, so it is applicable to both turbines as well as compressor. Turbine transfer energy from fluid to rotor and compressor transfers energy from rotor to fluid. Okay. Now there are two type of machines which are governed by the same basic relationship, including Newton's second law of motion and Euler momentum impulse momentum equation. So centrifugal pump are also called as turbo machine that transfer energy from the rotor to the fluid. Usually it is used a liquid, while turbine and compressor usually work with a gas. Steam turbine, okay. Then hydraulic turbine work with a fluid like a water. So these are the examples of centrifugal pump, then gas turbine, hydraulic turbine, steam turbine, centrifugal compressor. All these comes under the category of turbo machine. See, reciprocating compressor does not come under the category of turbo machine because it has a reciprocating motion. Okay. Now next we will see classification of turbo machine. Okay. So we have discussed turbo machine is a machine which transfer energy between rotor and its fluid. Okay. Correct. So how to classify turbo machine? So turbo machine can be classified by considering various parameters. Number one is what? According to transfer of energy. Then according to number of stages, it may be single stage or multi-stage, and according to extent of fluid. Now according to transfer of energy, if the transfer of energy is from fluid to rotor, then we can say it is a turbine. Okay. If the transfer of energy is from rotor to fluid, the example is centrifugal pump. Here hydraulic turbine, steam turbine, gas turbine, okay, all are the example of this from fluid to rotor. If energy transfer is from rotor to fluid, so centrifugal pump, centrifugal compressor, okay. Then extent of fluid. If infinite amount of fluid is available, then it is known as wind turbine. For example, a wind turbine, okay. So according to extent of fluid, it can be classified as infinite extent and finite extent. So the turbo machinery work in a finite extent of fluid are hydraulic, gas and steam turbine. Okay. Now again, according to type of fluid, the turbo machines can have a classification as a thermal turbo machines, for example steam turbine, compressor and gas turbine, and hydro turbo machine or fluid machines. So for example hydraulic turbine like Pelton, Francis and Kaplan turbine and centrifugal pump. Okay. Then according to type of flow, it may have turbo machine may have axial flow. So example of propeller and Kaplan turbine. Turbo machine may have mixed flow. So example is Francis turbine. So of course we are going to discuss all these things in detail. Okay. According to power, if the turbo machines are producing power, then it is known as power producing turbo machine. If they are absorbing power, then it is known as power absorbing turbo machines. So power producing turbo machines are what? All turbines, gas turbine, then steam turbine or hydraulic turbine. All this comes under the category of what? Power producing machines. And power absorbing are what? Centrifugal pump and compressor. Okay. Again, turbo machine can be classified as open type and closed type. So open type wind turbine or unsoured fan is also turbo machine, because the meaning of turbo is what? Rotation. And closed all turbine, centrifugal pump, centrifugal compressor is nothing but closed type. Okay. So again, types of turbo machines. So there are two kind of turbo machines encountered in practice, are open and closed. We have discussed this, okay, already. Again, I am repeating. The open machines such as propellers, windmill, or unsoured fan act as on an infinite extent of fluid, infinite amount of fluid. Okay, whereas closed machine operate on a finite quantity, means some amount, some measured quantity of fluid. Okay, and as it passes through the housing or casing. Again, turbo machine can have classification as mechanical energy to fluid energy and fluid energy to mechanical energy. So fluid energy to mechanical energy is turbine. For example, hydraulic turbine, so water energy will be converted to mechanical energy. Then mechanical energy to fluid energy, that is pump, blower, fans, compressor, okay, propellers. So these are the turbo machines. That is, first one is what? Single stage axial flow compressor or pump, then mixed flow pump, then centrifugal compressor. Okay, so here air enters here at the center, and because of action of rotor on the air, it increases the pressure of air. Then Francis turbine. Okay, so water energy is converted to mechanical energy. Then Kaplan turbine, it is axial flow type, it is mixed flow type. Okay, Francis. Pelton wheel is tangential flow type of turbine. All this comes under the category of a turbo machine. Okay. Now comparison between turbo machine and positive displacement machine. What is the best example of positive displacement machine? Reciprocating compressor or reciprocating pump. So we'll discuss one by one, step by step. Positive displacement machines involve thermodynamic and mechanical action between static fluid and slow moving surface. Okay. Volume changes cause the pressure change, while in turbo machines it involves thermodynamic and dynamic action. Okay, between continuously flowing fluid and rotating element. So pressure change occurs primarily by means of dynamic action of rotating element. Second one is what? Positive displacement machines are low speed machine. For example, reciprocating pump and reciprocating compressor. And turbo machines are high speed machines. The next is, these machines have low volumetric efficiency and turbo machines have higher volumetric efficiency. Then positive displacement machines, efficiency of conversion is high, and here efficiency of conversion is low. And positive displacement machines like reciprocating compressor is a low speed isothermal machine, and turbo machine like centrifugal compressor is a high speed adiabatic machine. So isothermal means temperature remain constant, and here adiabatic means what? There is no heat flow from system to surrounding. So this completes the basics of turbo machine, definition of turbo machine, classification of turbo machine, and difference between positive displacement machine and turbo machine. Okay, so here we have completed the basic of turbo machine. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you.